Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good? So today's a Sunday and we're going to church, and yet again my husband made us late again. Yeah, it's a continuous struggle in our household. Anyways, we're going to church. It's a bit sunny and I am loving it. Me and my daughter, we are matching. I don't know about the dad. He's not part of our little match. I don't know if it's just me, but I hate families that wear all the same color, like from father, mother, daughter, everything. No. It has to be just like a mother and daughter thing. Then the guy can just wear whatever, like any masculine kind of clothes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. Tell a friend, Steven. Tell a friend to tell a friend that, you know, your girl has started a YouTube channel. Can you stop laughing? Because I can see it. See, this is our outfit of the day, right? Yeah. Where are we going? We're going to get injections. She doesn't even know what's going to happen. I feel so sorry for her. I feel so sorry, man. And we're going for the appointment. The GP is actually not too far from where we live, so we're waiting for her dad. I'm always waiting for him. But yeah, I was like, I want to be a cute mommy. Bye. See you later. She said bye. She's like, she's over this. But yeah, we're going to the GP for her immunization. So let's go. Guys, can you imagine? I got the dates mixed up. It's actually not today, it's actually next week. Anyways, it's all good. It's all good. Mr. Barry is taking us out for breakfast. Brunch, yeah, it's taking us for brunch. And she was already becoming clingy, like, oh, I know something's going to happen. Anyways, she's not getting the pain today, it's next week. Why you gotta be like this? So just waiting for my daughter's lasagna. Because just what we should treat her for putting her through mental stress of me telling her over and over again that she's having an injection not today, but it's actually next week. So getting her favorite lasagna from, do you know, I actually don't know what's this place called. I don't know. I'm going to get my hair done now. As you guys saw in the last clip, I wasn't doing my hair. My hair has actually grown. If some of you people know where I've come from, God, Like 2 years ago, I had nothing. I was bald. My hair would not grow. I was just bald. But yeah, going to get my hair done. I'm getting a sewing for the first time. I can't wait. I honestly cannot wait. Like, I don't know how it's gonna make my face look, because, you know, I need to embrace my forehead. I honestly need to embrace my forehead. So we're driving to the girls' studio appointment. I don't know, but it's my first time getting my hair done by her. So fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm loving my hair, and I'm not really fussed about my forehead. I don't know if that's gonna be like that for the long run, but yeah, I'm not really fussed about my forehead. So hopefully I like it. It's actually my second time getting a sew-in. My first one, I didn't like it. I did not even... Yes, Isabel. I didn't even love it. I took it out 3 days after I got it done. Yeah. So now we're about to go. I'm just waiting for my partner to come, drop me off there, and then get my hair done. Catch you in the next clip. I'm good. Well, thank you. Still trying to get used to my forehead. Can I help just cleanse it all?
Oh yeah, of course.
How have you been?
Oh, I've been good, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, I like your matching set.
Oh, thank you. It's from Fifi, you know. It's about £10.
Really? It looks really nice.
Thank you. Yeah, it's very nice. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, these stories. So that's great. Oh, I did manage to get. Let me take this as well. Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do the polka dot one. Yeah.
Weren't they both polka dots?
Sorry?
Weren't they both polka dots that you sent me?
No, the other one was a swirly bit. Like, anyways, we'll see in a bit.
I thought they were both. What?
No, so I sent you two. So on your website, I sent another one. Unless you don't, if you look on your website, I don't know.
It's quite.
I know. So I sent you this one. This is the polka dot one. Yeah.
And then there was an almond one, wasn't there?
So I literally just went on ChatGPT and I was like, this almond one, I want it in a short. Like, show me how it looks, and I just screenshotted it and sent it to you.
Got you.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna do the polka dot one. This I'll probably do it next time because it does look nice.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, that one is cute. Yeah,
it does look.
have been raving about this. I don't like. Oh, this is cheddar cheese and onion. I love cheddar cheese and onion. Oh. Need the most low calorie. So hi guys, I just came back from the grocery store. Just came back from M&S. Let these boring people go out. Got these crisps because I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm trying to eat healthy. So these are like 90 calories per portion. And they are smoky barbecue flavored popped chips. These ones are lightly salted and they're 86 calories, which is good. I got these for little mama. And I got some guanciale, because I am going to try and make some pizza. I don't know if I'm gonna film making the pizza, to be honest. I need to stop saying to be honest. Ugh. Then I got some dough, because who's gonna make some dough? Not me. I know for sure I can't make dough for nobody. I can't make dough. And I got these. Love them. When I first met Mr. O, he used to bring me these to my accommodation. I love them. And I got these jumbo sausages for breakfast tomorrow. And I got lasagna. My daughter loves lasagna. So I got lasagna. And she loves some sausage rolls. So I got sausage rolls as well. And that's it. This was a very good impromptu decision. Do you agree? My husband's like, that's your pally. One. Big funny. Oh. Can you imagine? That's what I've just. What are they called, Stephen?
Oh.
That's not loud enough. I said I'm all excited. Perfect. So we have our 3 sheep up at the front. We have our 3 sheep up at the front. We're just removing the brown one, which is the small one, because he's just getting better from an injury and we don't want to make it worse. He just was too speedy, the sheep race. So all 3 sheep have their colours and their corresponding bandanas on. So we have pink for Usain Bolt, blue for Fleece Lightning, and green for Lamborghini. So if you haven't already, I'm going to use the pink which sheep will win the race, and then pick that corresponding banner for me at the front. And once everyone has picked the flag, we will get started. So if you are just coming up, run. What do you want?
Well, let me go and get it. Green. Okay.
You want one? I'll stick with the
Perfect, so I'm going to go through those things. If you've got that name on your pen, I want you to cheer as loud as you can, that is adults included. So who has pink for you, Who has green for Lamborghini? Last but definitely not least, who has blue for Fleece Lightning? Perfect. Charles, let's do your countdown from 10 together. 3, 2, 1. Now, as they're running round, you need to be as loud as you can be. These guys are in training. If you are not cheering loud enough for them, they will not run. Okay? So do you think you can be loud? No, that's not going to cut it. I said, do you think you can be loud?
I don't think so, Steven.
And how you do, once they have finished the race, they'll end up back here. If you have the winning sheep, like, who will not that boys, we will come round with a winning sticker. If we can all make sure all tracks end up back up there for me. Right, are you all ready to get started? Yeah! No, not like yours. I hope somebody else becomes louder. I'm ready! Yeah!
Steady, go!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Lamborghini is the last! Oh no! We're the last! Who are we to blame for that one? Who should we blame in somehow? Huh? Yeah.